Hi, my name's Kaylee Thompson and I work for Professional Energy Purchasing. We're energy consultants and this is our second event now. We absolutely loved the first event at the National Fluid Centre where I delivered a talk on climate change levy for manufacturers. It was such a good event that we were literally blown away at how it wasn't just a networking event, it was educational. So we were really excited to come tonight, and the second one's been even better. So roll on the third one as asked.
David Egner from the Materials Processing Institute. Excellent event for the evening. Good interaction with the other delegates. Very, very open. No barriers to conversation. The visit was superb, and learnt an awful lot from that. And the introduction to the new technologies, very useful. Got a pocket full of business cards, so that's been really good. Thank you.
Yeah, so Ben Steer, University of Sheffield student, currently starting a startup. I thought the event was really good. It's nice to actually have a chat with people already in the industry to get a feel for, what the challenges and the unique problems that are going on within the industry, but also sort of the trends and where things might be going in the future, to get a feel for the market and something that you don't get within university, but to get a feel for what things are like in industry.
So how many events have you been to so far?
I've been to a couple. Go into more of them. They're certainly invaluable in terms of meeting people and building those collections and those relationships.
Yeah. So in terms of the future, what more do you want to see from these sort of events?
I think just more of them. They're brilliant fun to attend. In terms of the diversity is always good. In terms of who's coming to the events, different manufacturers, bringing a lot more people on board within Sheffield, it being a manufacturing city. But certainly, I think they're fantastic events, and if there are more of them, that's great.
No, thank you.